name is Diane Catalano Burgos. I am here with Sunburst Properties. We service properties in the Sacramento area, Roseville area, and Rockland. Hello there. Today we're going to talk about evictions. What is an eviction? How does this work? So, if a tenant doesn't pay their rent, that is a process that we start with. First, we just contact them to find out why they're not paying their rent. Why haven't they paid? When are they going to pay? If we do have a conversation with them and we work that out, we won't have an eviction. If the tenant doesn't contact us or listen to our voicemails and then reach out, we go to the next step, which is still contacting them, still making sure that they're doing well and finding out why that the rent isn't in and that kind of stuff. So this is why you have a property manager to handle this for you. We do serve a 3-day notice if the tenant doesn't contact us. This is a 3-day to quit, walk out, or pay your rent. So with that, after the 3 days, we contact an attorney. And the attorney is an eviction attorney, and this is what they specialize in. So they work it out to get a judgment. So with that, it's days that we go through it. So they contact the tenant, they serve the notification, they get the judgment. If we still don't hear from them, this is when we do the lockout. We meet with the sheriff out there, we change the locks. If the tenant has not vacated the property, this means that their things are still in there. What do we do with their things? By law, we need to hold them in the property and wait for them to contact us so we can allow them to go in there and remove their things. If they do not remove their things, we have to either store them if they are things that are worth keeping, or we can junk them if there's just junk there. We do have time that we go out there and meet with them. We've done it several times to make sure they get all the things out of there. It's tough to do, but you have to make sure that you're strong and you take care of this, because if you don't and you're not strong and you let it go, you're going to have a lot of issues and your tenant will stay there. So the last thing is we do need a sheriff out there. We change the locks. Everything is finished. Remove all the things, or we have them in the storage, and then we start to sell. And that is something that we could talk about once you contact the company or contact your property manager to find out more information about that. So please contact us if you have any questions regarding eviction.